Tingnan natin yung souvenir dito. Ano ba ang ano rito? Pera. Morning. Ito, Norway. Mabili tayo na. Ito kadalasan binibili ng mga crew member, mga souvenir, magnet, mugs. Yan, mga mug. Dito may kamahalan ng presyo, lalo na itong mga plates na yan, medyo mahal yan. Tsaka yung mga balat ng tanong natin. How much in dollars?
Oh, no price tag.
No price tag.
Behind one of the boxes.
Yeah. Kesa ibili ko ng kung ano-ano, bili ko na lang ng souvenirs. At least, pag nag-retire ka na, marami kang maaalala sa mga souvenirs mo. How much?
Norwegian money, 209.
I have a discount?
Yeah, 10% for crew and everything.
Wow.
So if you want to pay dollar cash, it's $19.
$19. Okay. And
Probably a bit less if you have a card with no foreign fees attached.
Visa. If I use the
well,
Visa.
It depends. If you don't have any fees when you use your card abroad, you get a better exchange rate. So the dollar today, if you don't have any fees on my card, might be as good as 11. They give you 10 because you also have to pay fee twice when we do the dollar exchanges.
So if I use the Visa,
If you have a Visa and you don't have any fees connected to it, then Visa is always the best choice.
there's a tax of that or no tax?
Not here, no.
No tax.
No, well, also everything in Norway, they include 25% tax, but that's included in the price on the tag. It's not allowed to add anything additionally.
Okay. But I have a discount.
You have a discount no matter what. So the best option is always to use the card if you have a good card agreement.
Okay. I just also want the mug. Tayo ng mug. Ito mukhang mug. This one, in dollar, how much this one? Oh, what's... Hold on, I forgot my card. I'm coming back. Nalimutan ko pa yung card ko. Nalimutan yung card. Hello. I'm back. Whew.
By a card, I can't tell you the exact amount, but it should be somewhere around 17. Well, 17 plus 8, so $25-ish for the boat.
You accept this?
You accept everything.
Okay.
In Norwegian money, 277, which should be around $25.
25. Where I put this one?
Well, if you can tap, you can do it here. If not, you have to insert from the top.
Working?
Thank you. Yeah,
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Nice souvenir. Huh?
Yeah, this was.
There's a lot of souvenir here. Thank you very much. Thank you. All good. Pamili na ng souvenir. Barko namin. Lang. Bye bye.